Okay, let me show you the easiest, most delicious honey garlic chicken you'll ever make. So I'm using chicken thighs here. They're so much better than chicken breasts because they stay juicy and shred like a dream. Pop them into your slow cooker and pour over a simple mix of soy sauce, garlic, ketchup, honey, ginger, and red pepper flakes. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the pot, add some cornstarch, shred the chicken, add it back to the now thickened sauce, and voila, you've got the most flavorful chicken. Seriously, so easy. Trust me, you're gonna love this one.